cloud features that's being overlooked a lot of times is configuring and setting up alerts and notifications. As you can see, I'm on the administration portal and looking at the status page, which gives me a good amount of information about my environment, but what happens if I'm not in front of a computer. Now, in order to be proactive, you need to go ahead and set up and configure the notifications that you can be notified in case if something goes wrong within your environment. Now, in order to do that, you go ahead and expand settings and then click on notifications. Now, as you can see, you have three options here right now. Subscription limit exceeded, which is enabled by default. Then we got high subscription usage and then connector status. Now, in order to reconfigure this, you click on edit and you go ahead toggle the switch on the other two to turn them on. Now, subscription limit exceeded basically notifies you that one or more of your WPC connections were terminated because the number of the simultaneous WPC connections, including those from connectors and users, exceeded the subscribed limit. The high subscription usage notifies you that a threshold of the number of active WPC connections is exceeded. The threshold is configured as a percentage of subscribed connections. For example, a threshold set at 80%, which is default for a customer that has subscribed to 100 connections, will send an email alert when 80 or more WPC connections are active. This alert serves as an advance warning that the number of active WPC connections might soon exceed the number of subscribed connections and may lead to WPC sessions being disconnected. Now, when it comes to connector status, when enabled, I will send you a notification that a device running a connector has lost its connection. Typically, connectors serve to extend the WPC to a network or directly to a private server. This alert may indicate a critical service failure if a connector is the only instance of the network or host. Now, keep in mind that multiple connectors can be used with the network, but an alert is being sent once every hour that a connector is disconnected.